Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make grilled fish. First of all, we have some sweet breams. We're going to score them. Viewers, now we're going to marinate the fish. First of all, we have some garlic paste. We got a bit of ginger paste. We'll add some light soya, little bit of dark soya, little bit more salt, little bit of pepper. If you like some chili, feel free to use the chili. I'm going to put some lime juice to it. We're going to mix it. We're going to add a little bit of oil to it. Now we're going to wrap the fish. Viewers, now they're going to go underneath the grill. Viewers, with the grilled fish, I boiled some new potatoes in a salted water, and there is some carrot as well. Viewers, after 6 to 8 minutes, it looks like that. Now I'm going to turn it over. Viewers, after 4 minutes, we take out from the grill and we put it in a plate. Look at that, how yummy and delicious they look. We put some of that beautiful new potatoes, carrot and stem broccoli. Little bit of lemon juice. What could be better than that? Enjoy and bon appetit.